Alright, so now guys, as you can see on my screen, you can see this person right here has made over $81,000. This person has made $8,000, and this person down here has made, I think, $2,000 as well. And now guys, I'm gonna show you how this website works. This is a new website, a new crypto website where you can come and earn cryptocurrency daily on a daily basis, and it can withdraw instantly to your bank, to your local bank account. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the first link you see in this video description. Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to an interface like this. It's going to take you to the interface. So all you have to do is you come here, put in your email, you put in your email, you put in your password, you put in your you confirm your password, you put in your security password, you confirm, and then you click on register instantly. Okay, once you say invite code, this invite code, the code you see on my screen right here, is what you should put here so that you can be able to register successfully. And if you use the code, you stand a chance to get a discount. Okay, because I'll be teaching you something you don't know about this website. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on login. Now as you can see, I just logged into my website. So once you create your account is going to look like this. Brown, it will be showing you all these things you can see right here. You can see someone just made $75,000, $84,000, $58,000, $72,000. You can see these things for yourself. So what you want to click on is here where it says quantify. Down below after the home button, you'll see where they say quantify. So you're going to click on quantify. Once you click on quantify, it's going to take you to this interface. Right now you can see for yourself, these are an AI bots that will be helping you to mine Bitcoin, that will be helping you to mine USDT. Okay, USDT, which you can sell and you earn your money. You can transfer the money to your local currency. You understand? Now this is how this website works. You just have to unlock a particular stage like this AI bot one. Once you click on unlock, you can see recharge automatically unlocks. Recharge 15 USDT. You can see you only have to recharge 15 USDT. Once you recharge 15 USDT to this website, now for you to recharge, this is what you want to do. You want to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, and mind you have to choose the TRC 20 USDT. So I'm gonna click on URC. I'm gonna click on it. Once I click on it, then all you have to do is to copy this link. Okay, now you need to transfer the sum of $15 to this website using this link you just copied. Once you done transferring the money, you click on here where it says register a recharge complete. You understand? Once you click on it, then you go back. Once you go back, it's going to show that, oh yeah, you've already done it. So once you've done that, you'll be earning daily $2 for yourself, $2 for yourself instantly to your bank account, either to your trust wallet, or you transfer the money to your any other exchange you feel comfortable with, like Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, I mean any other exchange, CoinX, you know. So that's all about this video. Now if you want me to create way more video that is better than this, for you to make way more money for yourself, don't forget to let me know down in the comments so I'll know how to fix things for you guys. See you guys, peace. And to show you guys proof that this thing works, hope you can see right here on the top of my screen, see where it says 5.4 USDT. This is the money I've made from this website. Okay, and it's still counting because I'm earning every day. I'll click on it. You can see that all the coins that I have, this $5 is USDT. You can see it for yourself, USDT. And mind you, this is the USDT to RC20. Okay, and the platform that I'm using, my crypto exchange platform, is CoinX. For people who knows the interface, but for people who don't know the interface, this is CoinX. Okay, I use it because it's fast and reliable, but you can make your own choice. Okay, I won't recommend you use it. Okay, it's your choice to make. And if you know this is your first time seeing me, my name is Samuel. You can call me Samuel the Hustler. As you can see on my channel, all I do is that I make videos about how you can make money online so that you can benefit and make some money for yourself, some extra cash. All right, now please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification so that whenever I drop an amazing content just like the one you just watched, you'll be the first to get notified. See you guys, peace.